Well, today I'm going to be showing you what is meditation and the benefits. This is a very short and simple video, and I hope you like it. Hello, my name is Emanuel Gutierrez, and today I'm going to be talking about meditation. And as you know, I am a life coach and I specialize in self-help and growth. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite tools, meditation. It is a very, very powerful tool. It can be deceptively powerful. A lot of people look at meditation and they see it as this boring activity that doesn't make sense. But when you start accumulating hours of meditation throughout the years, you realize the benefits are just astounding. So let us begin with this explanation. So, the power of meditation. I don't know if you are aware of this, but in Tibet, the Buddhist monks refer to meditation as Gom. And Gom simply means becoming familiar with your mind. That's all it is. Meditation is simply a way to train and become familiar with your mind. So, when it comes to your mind, you have to remember your mind works very much like a muscle. You see? And this is the reason why I made this, put this illustration here. Somebody training. Meditation is simply training your mind. And as you start developing that muscle, suddenly you're going to discover that you're going to be able to see things better. Because the moment you train your mind, the moment you realize that you start getting better. And so I'm going to share with you this beautiful saying by Marcus Aurelius. He said, "You have the power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find your strength." You see? So, meditation, plain and simply, is nothing but learning how to train your mind. Now, what is this? If we look at this illustration here, meditation, in the most basic form of meditation, is the art of observing your thoughts without reacting to them. Once you learn this, you're going to realize how insignificant those thoughts can be. You see? Now, as you can see here, this is an example of us. And we're constantly being haunted by thoughts. We go through thousands and thousands of thoughts in our mind. And so learning how to meditate is actually one of the most incredible tools to allow you to control that. So what I'm saying here is that the more you practice and you learn to control your thoughts, the more you realize that you can finally have control over your mind. Because unfortunately, a lot of us have our minds playing with us. And what meditation shows you is how you can play with your mind. Because suddenly, it puts you in charge. And this is what meditation is really all about. Now, the areas where meditation is really going to help according to the research. Number one is mental clarity and focus. All right, there's a lot of research, and meditating helps you have a clearer and more focused mind. Number two, it's going to help you with internal dramas and negative emotions. It's going to allow you to process and clean all those negative emotions. Number three, when you start doing this, you're going to realize that you're going to develop a greater sense of resilience and compassion. in time, you're going to realize that every decision that you make is going to be based on this sense of compassion. Number 4, meditation is also going to help you in understanding why you think the way you do. Suddenly, you're going to learn how to control your own mind and why it is that you're having the thoughts that you're having. Number 5, biological age. I don't know if you knew this, but meditation has been proven to lower our biological age. And what do I mean by this? I don't mean your chronological age, how many years you have. No, it's when you do a cell study, you're going to realize that your cells are more rejuvenated. And this happens to a lot of expert meditators. You realize that their bodies and their minds are a lot clearer, younger, and healthier than the average mind. So meditation is finally going to help you in your overall health. So meditation is really this incredible tool that you can use for a lot of these things, okay? Now, some experts refer to meditation as paperless journaling. They also refer to it as personal psychotherapy. Meditation is part and should be part of your internal grooming and training. So meditation is going to allow you to cleanse unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary feelings, unnecessary emotions. And what you're going to realize is that suddenly this is much clearer. And suddenly when your mind is clear, a lot of things in your life make more sense and are much more clearer. So the invitation is plain and simple. Start changing your life through meditation. It doesn't have to be long. What I usually recommend to my students is, simply start with 5 minutes of meditation. It is best if you can do like 20, 30 days of meditation consistently, just 5 minutes. Just do 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes is going to make a world of a difference. So in the following video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can practice your first simple meditation session. So I want to say thank you again. And as I said, my name is Emanuel Gutierrez, and I specialize in coaching, spirituality, and growth. Thank you for watching.